guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's begin with the slimes. So the first one is called Candyland. Candyland is a super duper thick base with different size rainbow foam beads and large foam beads. It is bubblegum scented and has fake sprinkles in. This slime is amazing, guys, definitely a recommend. Next up we have Disney Dole Whip. Disney Dole Whip is a super creamy spreadable butter slime. This slime is Hawaiian Punch scented and has a twist on a regular pineapple scent, guys. This smells so good, honestly. This is like one of my favorite scents. It is so fruity and just so good. This slime will be in a 4-ounce size and is super duper fun to play with and is super duper spreadable. Next up we have Detox Water. Detox Water is a clear slime and has fruit Fimo pieces in. This slime is quite jiggly, but it's not like a really bad jiggle. It's a really nice jiggle and is super duper clear. This slime makes amazing pokes and bubble pops and is amazing. Next up we have Neapolitan ice cream. Neapolitan ice cream is a pink, yellow and brown cloud slime and it is scented as vanilla and smells so good. Once it is all mixed up, it turns into a really light kind of brownish colour and just is so drizzly and so fluffy, guys. Honestly, this slime is amazing. Finally, the last slime in this restock would be Ice Cream Birthday Cake. Ice Cream Birthday Cake is a vanilla scented butter slime. It has fake colourful sprinkles in and is the best slime ever, guys. This is one of my favourites in the restock. It is so soft, creamy, and holds its shape so nicely. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below what was your favourite slime in this restock. Please be sure to go onto my Etsy page. You don't even have to buy, you can just go take a look to see if you're even interested in the slime. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe. Bye guys!